Flash wasn't happening.
I like the hand up actually, like adjusting the glasses. Yeah.
You think that's good? Amazing.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. I'm so excited to see all these.
Yeah.
On camera flash, how's that work?
It's, you know what, for this aesthetic, it's great, right? Because it's like everything is a little bit blurry and grainy, and I would never use it on like a,
What do you wear?
you know, you need something like what you've
Wearing
got.
white vintage
Yeah.
baby. The one and only. Thank you. Bitchy moments.
I got the gold card over here. This is excellent.
Right on,
That
yeah.
shirt looks so good on you, B. Yeah? This is so cute.
The jacket is beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Do you still want those or I'll take
Oh my god, I've never worn stockings and I've always wanted these.
Okay, what time is it? I gotta give
You think
Yeah, I like
later?
that. I like that. Yeah. I almost want to get from like a love.
Okay, you direct me now.
So, I want you to have like one hand like this.
Oh,
Yeah, like that. And then maybe one hand almost like this. Kind of under your hair if you're
I don't know
not.
how me this is.
Like that. Okay, wait, it's not gonna be me then.
Yeah, that's not
Okay,
my.
well,
Oh.
okay, just pose.
Yeah.
Ah,